Chevy Colorados are some of the most stable and competent trucks to have ever been made. It is so useful, but one of the biggest problems is that the back is exposed. That is where the tonneau covers come in handy. Looking for the best tonneau cover for Chevy Colorado can be quite a challenge, though. 1. Tiger Auto T3. Starting strong. The Tiger Auto T3 is the finest in the business. With amazing design and tons of features, this cover is sure to be the cover for you if you want only the most efficient for your Chevy Colorado. Made from aluminum, this particular product is so beautiful and aesthetically pleasing that it will be fully pleasurable for you. The look and feel of this particular cover is so amazing that even if you despise having a cover on your truck, you will not mind this particular one. 2. BAKFlip MX4. Being one of the top covers for you, Chevy Colorado, this particular product has been loved worldwide. Coming in 2 sizes, it gives you a choice for your truck. This is also for the year your truck was made, so it becomes much easier for you to find your perfect fit. Formed of aluminum, this cover provides the extra protection you will need to protect your truck and belongings. It is one of the firmer models, so you will know that your stuff is completely safe. One difference is that this particular product sits inside the truck instead of on top of the car. 3. MaxMate Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. 4 different designs can be seen while you purchase this product. That is more than any other product I have personally seen. Having so many options makes it much easier for you to select the one you believe will fit better. The basic issues of choosing a cover lie with its fit, so having this many options make the process much easier. Including steel clamps, this whole cover has been made in the most beautiful way ever. It contains the nicest kind of aluminum side rails, which ensures that nothing about it will break or bend even in the worst conditions. 4. Lund Genesis Roll-Up Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Including the toughest black fabric, it claims to protect your cargo from both rain and shine. It is tear-resistant and claims to protect your stuff from both dust and dirt as well. Seals are important on anything that you put on top of your car. This product contains extreme seals that guarantee that nothing will happen to the stuff you load underneath them. Not only that, but this cover also claims to look excellent on top of your truck, which is simply a bonus for any person. Made from marine-grade vinyl, this particular product gives the full quality assurance needed to prove that it will be worth the money. It comes in 2 kinds, which are the hard tri-fold as well as the soft roll-up. 5. Roll-In Lock M Series Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Uniquely designed, the cover itself is something to wonder over. It is unlike any other since it is offered in 2 types, the A Series and the M Series. The choices make it more exciting for you. With a sleek design, this product has been made of powder-coated aluminum that gives it the prettiest look. At the same time, the M Series has a vinyl over aluminum design that makes it extremely attractive to customers. The difference in design is what can help people in deciding how they want their cover to look. Both cases have the best quality in them. Whether the series is A or M, they are made of the strong material of aluminum, which is both light and extremely resistant to any damage.